Okay, so we're going to continue with font addition, right? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We still have these red lines is because the Android Studio does not support the fonts being in italics, so we have to change them to small letters, right? Sorry, in capital letters rather. So we're going to change them to small letters. So this capital I will turn to small letter I and small letter B for bold, as you can see. So we're going to replicate the process over. Okay, so we're done and everything looks nice. So the next step, we're going to work on